problem statement. Why is this rubber important? Fluor contamination from salts is a significant problem in many environments, especially industrial and manufacturing facilities, where cleaning is crucial to prevent damage to sensitive product or equipment. Healthcare facilities, hospital and clinics require high hygiene standards to reduce the spread of germs and infection. Commercial and resident buildings to maintain lower floor cleaning costs. System recruitment review, functional recruitment, automatic object detection. The system must an infrared sensor to detect the presence of an object source within an operational range of 3 cm to 35 cm. The system must be able to discuss between object detect and no object detect condition in real time. Synchronous motor control. When an object detect, the SP32 must send PWM signal simultaneously to BTS 79560 driver. Motor 1 must rotate clockwise. Motor 2 must rotate counterclockwise. Water management system. The system must activate the water pump immediately after ER sensor detects an object in order to spray water into the brush area. The pump must stop spraying when the sensor no longer detects an object or after a predetermined duration. System stop operation. The system must stop the rotation of both PG36 motor immediately after the object is no longer detected within ER sensor. Detection range 3 until 35 cm. System indicator. The system must provide feedback to identify the status of ready, cleaning, or error through monitoring indicator. Non-functional needs, performance, response time. The delay between sensor detection and motor activation must not exceed 0.5 seconds. Torque. The PG36 motor must be able to maintain stable rotation even when subject to pressure from source. Reliability. The system must be capable of operation repeatedly without requiring manual reset the SP32 microcontroller. The connection between ER sensor and SP32 must remain stable against unwanted light noise interface. Safety, waterproofing. Electrical components such as SP32, BTS 7960 driver, and power supply must be completely isolated from water channels and spraying area to prevent short circuits. Electrical protection. The system must include current protection mechanisms, such as fuses or driver-based current management to prevent motor damage in case of jamming or overload. Availability and maintenance. The mechanical design must allow the brush and water tank to be cleaned or replaced easily. Cable must use sturdy connectors or prevent disconnection caused by the strong vibration of the PG36 motor. Power scalability. The system must be capable of handling current surges when the motor and water pump operate simultaneously without causing voltage drops on ESP32. Concept design. 1. System block diagram. Power supply or 12 power source. The 12 power supply serve as the main power source for the system component, including the two PG36 motors and water pump. Step-down converter. The step-down converter reduces the voltage from 12 volts to 5 volts or 3.3 volt to safety power the SP32 and ER sensor, preventing short circuit and overheating. Input or ER sensor. The infrared sensor detects the presence of an object within a distance range of 3 until 35 cm. The signal is then sent to SP32 in the form of digital logic signal, either high or low progress or SP32. The SP32 acts as the main controller the process system logic. Once the sensor triggered the SP32 immediately command 3 output simultaneously, activating the water pump, rotary motor 1 clockwise and rotary motor 2 counterclockwise. Output or actuator. BTS 7960 This driver receives PWM signal from SP32 to control the speed and rotation direction of the PG36 motor. Water pump. The pump is connected through a relay or MOSFET because it cannot be controlled but directly by the SP32 pins due to the limit current capability of the microcontroller. 2. Mechanical concept. 1. Frame structure. Main material. The main frame use 3 mm aluminum plates, while the outer part is covered by acrylic to improve corrosion resistance due to water exposure. Footbed design. The foot placement area is designed with drainage holes so water and mud can flow directly into collection tray underneath, preventing puddle around the brush area. Good night, everyone. The Honorable Mr. Hendawan Subakti and my friends that I am proud of. We are from Group 5, standing here to present about my project review. The members of Group 5, that's me, Julpan, Alfariji Hukama, Josia, and Ruth Jessica. So, let's get into the first material that will be presented by me. 2. Brushing mechanism. Dual roller brush. The system uses 2 cylinders brush mounted in parallel. Motor 1. Rotate the brush inward toward the center. Motor 2. Rotate the opposite brush inward toward the center from other outside. Purpose. The opposing the symmetric rotation prevent the user foot from being past the one side and ensure that there is collected and the center point for disposal. Power transmission. The PG36 motor are connected to brush using a pulley belt system to reduce vibration and protect the motor shaft from clog loads. Water distribution system. Nozzle spray. Water pipes are positioned beneath the brush with nozzle directly at the contact point between the brush and the shoe soles. Water pump placement. The pump is placed near a spread clean water tank to make refilling easier. Component placement. A select box. All electronic component. SP32 to BTS7960 driver and relay are placed inside a sealed plastic enclosure position at the top or side of the system, away from water splash. Infrared sensor position. The infrared sensor position, the ES sensor is installed at the front the brush area with downward angle housing to prevent water accumulation or sensor lens, which clock interface with detection accuracy.
Number 3. Program algorithm. Phase 1. Shoes detection application. The robot operates in the standby mode. In this phase, the ESP32 continuously monitoring signal from the infrared sensor. When the sensor detects shoes placed on the platform with a distance range of 3 until 35 cm, the sensor sends a trigger signal to the microcontroller to start the operating cycle. Phase 2. Cleaning process. After receiving the trigger signal from phase 1, the microcontroller immediately activates the cleaning system. PG36 motor. The microcontroller sends signal to BTS7960 driver to rotate the motor synchronously. Motor I rotate clockwise, or CW, and motor to rotate counterclockwise, CCW. Water pump. The pump immediately spray the water through the hose to soften the end mud. Duration. This process runs automatically for a predetermined duration. For example, 10 seconds. The ensure maximum cleaning of the shoe sole. Phase 3. Standby mode. After the cleaning duration is complete, or if the shoe is removed before the process ends, the microcontroller cut off power to both the motor and the water pump. The motor stops rotating. The water spray turns off, and the system returns to standby mode, waiting for the next operation cycle back to phase 1. Preliminary design, including initial 3D design, hardware selection, and program flow. This is the initial design. Next, hardware selection. Number 1, ESP8266. Function controller. Description, process sensor data and control motor movement. Number 2, ultrasonic sensor. Function, object detector. Description, measure distance to shoe sole using sound wave reflection. Number 3, motor driver. Function, motor interface. Description, manage high current power delivery and motor direction. Number 4, DC motor. Function, actuator. Description, driver to rotation of scrubbing brush. Number 5, NCR 18650 battery. Function, motor power supply. Description, provide dedicated high current power from the motor. 6, USB cable and laptop. Function, logic power and debug. Description, power the USB H266 and enable real-time monitoring. Number 7, jumper wire. Function, interconnect. Description, link data, signal, and power between all components. Program flowchart. This flowchart explains the operating of the scissor cleaning robot. The process begins at the position where the foot is placed on the robot brush. Subsequently, the robot detects the distance from foot to its sensor. If the sensor detects the presence of shoes at distance of less than 15 centimeters, the robot and the brushing sensor will automatically turn on and the shoes will remain. Conversely, if the foot is lifted to distance greater than 15 centimeters, the brushing sensor will turn off. And critical design, including final 3D model, confirm hardware selection, software algorithm. Critical design. Number 1, technical specification. Component selection is appropriate for high torque required meet the scissor training. Number 2, electronic design. The use of the BTS 7960 driver successfully delivered high current to motor safely suffered by the ESP32 in processing sensor data. Number 3, sensor selection. Infrared sensor of arc level of precisely reading object in 3 until 35 centimeter range and provide a very fast trigger response. Number 4, algorithm perform. The 3-phase algorithm run automatically according to a design logic sequence. 5, energy. Power supply from the 12-volt power supply is sufficient of run 2 PG36 motor and 1 water pump without excess noise. 6, mechanical design. The frame structure has been updated with never and safer couple driving, ensuring no cable are steered while the system is on motion. 7, status function. The cleaning function must run systematically. The combination of water spray and strong force from the PG36 motor successfully clean the mud and shoes salt efficiently.
Final design. Next. Critical design including final 3D model, confirm hardware selection for software algorithm. Confirm hardware selection. Number 1, component ESP32, microcontroller, main system, control unit. Description, manage all control logic, sensor processing, and PWM signal for the motor and pumps. Number 2, BTS 7960 motor driver, function, motor power controller. Description, high current driver used to provide stable current to the PG36 motor and prevent overheating. Number 3, infrared or IR sensor. Function, object detection. Description, detects the presence of shoes within a 3 to 35 centimeter range to initiate the automatic cleaning process. Number 4, water pump, mute cleaning. Spray water onto the brush area to facilitate the removal of mute and stubborn dirt. Number 5, timing belt. Function, mechanical power transmissions. Description, connects the motor shaft to the brush shaft. Number 6, power supply. Function, main energy source. Description, acts as the power source for automotor, actuators such as the motor and water pump. Number 7, relay module. Function, pump switch control. Description, allows the microcontrollers to turn the water pump on and off during the cleaning pass until completion. Number 8, roller brushes. Function, source scrubbing. Descriptions, a pair of brushes rotating in opposite directions, or CW and CCW for maximum cleaning effectiveness. Number 9, bearing. Functions, brush shaft support, withstands the load from shoe pressure to prevent damage to the motor shaft of belt. Circuit diagram. Software algorithm. Start, system begin operations. Initialize system. Initialize ESP32, IR sensor, BTS 7960 motor driver, and water pump relay. Read sensor or IR sensor. The system continuously monitor the infrared sensor for object detections within a 3 to 35 centimeter range. Check SU detects using adjustable IR obstacle sensor. No, white system stay in standby mode. Yes, start cleaning, system trigger the cleaning cycle. Active cleaning cycle, phase 2. Water pump instantly spray water onto the brushes to soften, mute, and dirt. Dual motor. Motor 1 rotates CW and motor 2 rotates CCW simultaneously via BTS 7960 driver. Power transmissions or belting system. Motor drive the roller brushes through a timing belt and Pauli mechanism for smooth torque delivery and shock absorptions. Check timer and occupancy. The system monitor the cleaning durations, 10 seconds, and real-time second feedback. Time up or OR to remove. Stop process to shut down pass. Else continue, keep brushing and spraying. Pass shutdown. Water pump is deactivated first to prevent excess water accumulations. Dual motor are stopped. System return to standby mode, ready for the next operations. Prototyping, result, and testing. Number 1, testing aspect. IR sensor detections information. The sensor successfully detects two objects accurately within a distant range of 3 to 35 centimeters. Number 2, microcontroller response information. The ESP32 receives signal from the IR sensor and executes the cleaning algorithm without any descriptive delay. Number 3, PG36 motor performance information. The two PG36 motor rate rotate synchronously or CW and CCW with strong torque capable of handling the pressure load from the shoe soles without stopping. Number 4, BTS 7960 motor driver. The driver is able to provide stable current to the motor without experiencing excessive overheating. Number 5, water pump system information. The water pump spray water directly toward the brush immediately after the sensor is triggered, helping to soften dirt effectively. Number 6, power management information. The 12-volt 10 ampere power supply and buck converter provides stable power to the entire system. Number 7, mechanical safety information. The electronic components remain dry and protected from water splashes.
We want to listen and finish the project basic learning table topic, which is the Soltrobic robot starring Eastern India discretion with study and complete planning. What train on? With 4. Listen the Lithium robot model, screening the load and tracing of its component. With 5. Connect and the present intercut at basic program such as DC motor and ultrasolid sensor of function. With 6 to 6 S7. Approve and exit the program at robot. Listen basic on testing pressure screening sensor scale at logic implement with and finish the robot listen and program complete project discriminant and prepared for the final present. With 9. Listen and complete the infrared sensor at the efficient complete test on the material from the BHP by treating and this of protect item and proceed material accurate. With 10. Look the panther cut them using I self and find the it. With 11. Complete and the cut panther to but the frame with two thread. Assembly the panther and assemble the electrical component. With 13. Finish the power code and start the installation. With 14. Paint the complete frame. With 15. Perform the electrical assembly process by acting and connection an electrical component and connects a robot operation to ensure the robot operation correct accurate to the design. Budget plan. The total spending is seperti 3662. Project management. Project team. 1. The project consists of 4 members with the following list of roles. 2. 1 member is responsible for the developing and operating the robot, control program, installing sensor, and managing communication between electronic components. 3. 1 member is physical design focusing on designing the robot using training or 3D printing material, as well as ensuring the structural flex and stability of the robot. 4. 2 member is critical starting for sensor, critical actuator implementation, necessary, technical, and bearing management. Thank you.